Keep the nose out. All right, hold on. Hey, good morning, guys. Yes, you guys did see the wing tanks being rolled over here there in the intro. We got some good stuff going on today, but first of all, since we are definitely getting a lot closer to being operational again, we did have a pretty good crew safety talk about being safe around the airplane and what to expect moving forward. So,
anybody have any questions about that? It's going to be in flight book number 1. We need to get some more of those sheets made up, and so we've got.
I'm updating that flight book number 1 this week. So
okay, good.
Next few days it'll be all fresh.
And yeah, and part of that process, we need to make sure all those old items are closed out, which should be a part of the 100-hour anyway. So, so yeah, I was going to be signing off the 100-hour once we get the high-speed taxi done, because that's the last actual item on the 100-hour. And we went over seat safety already. We're going to be arming the seats today. So from now on, you know, you're not going to be up in the cockpits unless there is a reason to be up there and you're signed off to do it.
Hey, there's any more word on the chutes?
Should have chutes back second half of next week. Yeah, so they're there. They're got them out on the table. They're working on them. So.
Just in time.
Yeah, but it'll be a just in time thing for that. Anybody have any questions about that? How we're going to be operating moving forward?
No. Don't go up there if you don't need to.
Yeah, don't go in the cockpits if you don't need to at this point. And
not signed off.
Right, if you're not signed off. And the rest of the training and safety stuff, we're going to start implementing our normal system that we've used for 27 years now. So it's been a tried and true system. FAA loves it, we love it, so that's what we're going to do.
Also, I don't know how about the word love.
No, they love it.
Not about us.
Oh, well, us, yeah, no. But they love it, so we hate it.
Yeah.
You know the FAA, they're not happy till you're unhappy.
That's right.
All right, cool. Well,
Time to start hanging some tanks.
yeah, I think it's about that time. Are you guys ready for the power on checks first?
No.
No?
Yeah,
You need some time?
let me run into town first.
Okay.
You guys line that up. Okay, when you're ready, you gotta pick it up. Y'all get ready to push it back. Hold on.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, up.
Back. Keep going. We're in. No.
Yeah, okay. All right.
You can let the nose down. Okay, at this point, you
not a
have to come up very gently.
No.
You know, I know you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Just to get around those.
We actually need to go
Do you want to trade
nose
with
to the
me
right a
here?
little bit.
Inboard.
Nose to the right.
And then also, you're gonna have to get the screwdriver, because, you know, just to get that to push in all the way.
You've got to get everything.
Go this way. You're spinning the whole thing.
But it is rising up out of the hole.
It's coming up out of the hole. Okay, that's far enough.
Okay.
Push it down again.
So
Okay.
you have to hold that down while we lift it up.
Yeah, you have to hold that down.
I see. It goes in
while we
that
lock
V.
it.
Okay.
Oh, and then a 3
Goes
speed
right
handle to lock onto there.
So Darren, are you on the connectors?
Yeah, I'm gonna try and get everything lined up.
Don't worry about that, just do what you want.
Ready?
Yep.
Y'all ready to lift?
Yeah.
Yep.
Guys have their hands in there, nice and easy.
All right, start bringing it up.
Gently. Hold on.
Are you in? You just got to get the guide pins.
Just get it started. Oh, there it is. Done.
Yeah.
We're almost aligned now.
All right, it's started. Slowly.
Slowly.
Slowly
All
up.
right, here's the critical part.
Up more.
Yeah.
Slowly.
You're gonna need a screwdriver for that. Does this can plug just go
There you go.
straight in? It doesn't twist at all.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Send it.
Oh, we didn't pinch yet. I think we pinched it.
All right, lock it.
Move it this way.
Okay, easy. Yeah, it's on. So, all right.
We got the damn wing folded, so we're gonna have to do it the fun way.
Yep, we're gonna have to turn at a time.
Millimeters up.
Yep.
Why would you put that out there?
Oh, we'll see right.
Oh, that'll work for now. How tight are you?
It's already tightening up a little bit.
Is it?
Yeah, just keep using that. He's got to get them going.
Yeah. Just have it there if you need to get this.
Yeah, all you got to do is keep it on the dolly up there.
Yeah.
And we'll let you know to push back.
I'll do the camera. Yeah. A couple of guys. Don't lift there, Ryan. Yeah. Hit your hand. Okay. Right.
Just the back. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Come on up. Come on up. Up. Aft. Okay, hang on. All right, we're captured.
We're in.
right, everybody take a break for a minute.
We need to hold the nose in.
Yeah.
Brake slides off the spring.
Make sure the flat's facing out.
Okay, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Here we come.
Steady.
Come up. Slow, gentle. Watch your fingers.
Pin plugs in.
Let us know. We got it, good spot?
Yeah.
Yeah, whoa, right there.
Up.
Right there. Ship it. All right, Ben, latch it.
I'm pushed against the board.
Yep, we ready to lock?
Yep.
Stand by.
I think when we torque it up, it'll pop the valve.
Okay, nice and easy. We should be locked. All right, everyone else go underneath it.
All right, I'm gonna wiggle it.
All right, we are on.
That's in. Okay, run her up.
Let's do the tightening.
Is it locked?
Yeah, it's locked.
Wrencher.
Get this one tight and let's go get lunch.
You know about the knots now.
Fucking yeehaw.
Someone revive Justin. I'm good. Quick, yeah.
Mouth to mouth. I volunteer. How you doing?
Bueno. All right, well, as you guys can see, we got the wing tanks on. So for those not super familiar with Phantoms, the internal fuel that goes in the fuselage tanks and the internal wing tanks there, the airplane itself holds just under 2,000 gallons of jet fuel. You put these on, and each side, each one of these holds an extra 370. So with both left and right mounted, you get an extra 740 gallons worth of fuel. It's definitely extends your range and flight time. So what we're doing is mounting these. We're gonna put, I think, a couple hundred gallons in them. Not too terribly much, but we get to take her out, and it won't be today, but we get to take her out, and we have to fool the airplane into thinking that she's flying by manipulating one of the what was known as a squat switch. It's the scissor switch on one of the gears. So we change the state on that. The airplane thinks it's off the ground, and then we can force open the transfer valves for the tanks and make sure that the tanks themselves are transferring fuel up into the airplane, which is to be expected. Once we do that, then we can take them back off, because we're not flying with these for the first flight, which I don't know when that will be. Hey, Justin.
Hello.
But that's what we got going on right now, and that's why we put the tanks on. So we still got a fair bit more work to do. The list is getting shorter and shorter every day. There's a few of us that are able to come out here almost daily now because of how close we're getting. Most of the work that's left to do is primarily centered up there on the seats. Get those armed up and ready, like you heard Will talk about earlier. So yeah, we're getting closer. We're getting a lot closer. All right, everybody, that about wraps up our weekend. There's still more going on. And like I said, we got guys working here almost daily. I'm limited availability because, you know, I work full time, so I can't be here all the time with a camera. However, we are working really hard to get her fully operational in the next couple weeks, because we're getting excited. We want to see her fly. We want to do it safely, and we want to do it right. So yes, we are pushing hard to get her operational. That said, the airplane always gets the final say whether she wants to go up or not. So she could always throw a curveball at us, and it just extends our little maintenance period a little more. So, but yes, we are pushing really hard. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. It's really nice seeing the drop tanks on the wings. It looks like normal. All we need now is weapons, but we're not allowed to buy those. Anyway, thank y'all for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.